This is a AC monitor circuit. This monitor circuit is power is not turning on, and today I will repair this. And you can see here is HDMI port, and this one is BGA, and here is one audio port 3.5 mm. This is a compact, and this side is power supply, and this side is system side. Okay, today I will repair this. And this is the AC connector, and this is the SMPS input side. This side is input side, and this is the output side. Here is to rectify the use for outputting the voltage. Okay, let's see where is the problem happening. Okay, before I power in, let's check something here. Check this fuse. Here is one fuse. This is okay. Here is a rectifier. Here is a short circuit or not. No short circuit. And check it. I injected the power. Check this voltage. And this is the main filter. Check this here. Here is a 306 voltage present, DC voltage, and definitely AC voltage here present. Okay, this one is AC, and this is the rectifier input voltage, bridge rectifier input voltage. Here is also 220 voltage present, and check this output voltage. Here is 306 voltage present. Okay, check the output voltage here, and this area is ground. Okay, and this is the rectifier output pin. Check this, no voltage present. Here is also no voltage present, and you can see this. Here is the power LED. This is not glow. Disconnect the power supply, and check this capacitor is any voltage storage or not. Yes, here is a voltage storage. No voltage here. Okay, and this is the driver MOSFET, and this is the SMPS. Check this, and this is short or not. No short circuit here. Here is one resistance, ohm, and maybe this one is the gate to ground. Okay, and this is the ground, and this one is gate pin. Okay. Check this output side. What happened here? This diode is showing short. This one is okay. Check it here. Short circuit, and here is showing below, and this diode is okay, but this one is short. Let's open it and check it. Okay, and you can see due to the diode shorted, and that's why maybe circuit is not turning on, power supply is not turning on. Let's check it. When you will measure the diode, and you should check this meter mode. This one cannot. This one is short. Okay, let's install a good one. This one is okay, no problem here. This also okay. Let's power up this and check it. Let's give the power and check it. 6.18 volt here. Check this here. Here is a 2 point something voltage is hiccuping. This is not still. Okay. Here is a showing 6 point something, and here should be present 12 volt and here should be present 5 volt. Okay, that means output voltage is low. This is not okay. Okay viewers, our problem is solved. And when I install this diode, and this diode is not supported here. Okay, and after that I use another diode, and this one is the damper diode and high speed switching. Okay, after when I install attach this, and this part is working perfectly. Okay, let's check. Plug in the power, and you can see here is a LED light, is power LED light is clone. And check this voltage. Check this voltage here. Here is a 14 point something, and here is a 5 voltage present. Okay, our problem is solved. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Okay, you can see this here. Turn off. Again turn on. Okay, thanks for watching.